Hi, I'm Nikki and I'm a homemaker. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm having fun with my best friend, little girl's thing. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It really helps your girl out, and enjoy the video. I just want to rip it.
Why don't you do it?
No! Get away from me! I think my skin's coming off. My precious skin. Looking like Kung Fu Panda over there. I look like whispering all loud. I wonder how it feels when you wax down there. Okay, so I got this at Walmart. It is to wax, of course. And my daughter put it together. She set it to high.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that comes out. That's going to carry the wax.
Oh, it's getting hot already.
Okay. It comes with a bunch of bags of wax, different colors. Okay, so you plug it in. She put it all the way on high, turn it all the way to the right, and then you, I guess we're supposed to dump it in there, not all of it, yeah. And then it should be ready in about 15 minutes. Go ahead and put the lid on it. Okay, so while that's heating up, we also have some face masks. I had this one already. I really like this one. It's for anti-stress. And then I haven't tried this one yet. This is deep cleaning manuka, I don't know, honey, plus tea tree oil clay mask cleanser. So Alma's gonna try this one, and I'm gonna put this one on her face while the oil is warming up. Okay, so this stuff is gonna clean our face really good. And then we're gonna put this serum on afterwards, and you're supposed to make you look so young, like complete transformation, wrinkles gone, bam. All of that's gonna happen, and I paid $15 for it. I'm expecting that to happen. This one's supposed to be anti-stress, so all my stresses are just leaving. And then after this, I'll be young with the serum. So I'll be stress-free and young. So I'll be 18 again. Alma just got a divorce. In July, right? Or June?
June 27th.
So
was free.
So she's putting this on, and she's going to use this serum to gain back all the years she lost in the second marriage. Okay, my legs are extra hairy. I don't know if you can see it. But I let them grow for over a week for the purpose of using this. I was like, yeah, I told everybody, don't shave your legs. That's how it looks. Let me touch it. I think it's fine. I'm also going to shave my face. I talked about that on my live. So many people are shaving their face. And I want to. I only got this wax because my daughter was like, I want to wax my legs. I guess we should have put all the wax in there.
Where is it?
Dude, I don't even know how much you're supposed to put on there. It's not even that hot. Like, I'm able to just go straight from there to here. Oh, here. I can put you on there. It's not like we have to. It's not like we have to share a popsicle. My underarms are hairy. I don't know if I would do this though. They could be waxed, but I'm a little scared. We're gonna let it get hard, and then
it comes off easy.
Yeah, and then we're just gonna. We're gonna yank it. We're just gonna. I'm gonna do the other leg. Watch this hurt so bad, and I'm gonna have wax all. You don't even have hair on your legs. It looks like you shaved. My leg hairs grow back quick. Okay, so this one's had more time to dry, so I'm gonna pull this. I guess I should have seen how much it was gonna hurt before I decided to do this, but let's try. Ooh. Ah!
Mom.
Oh my god! Why did I put it all over? Dude, can I take a bath and just let it get soft? Ooh, I'm gonna have to do this quick. Oh my god.
I was doing it too.
Oh my god. Maybe it just hurts because I'm barely like.
You should have done like little pieces
Oh.
all at once.
Oh my god. It hurt. Oh my god.
That is too funny.
You're about to hurt. It's too funny.
And she keeps putting it all over her.
She's like, haha. She's yelling and screaming. This is funny.
Look at it.
Oh my god. I hope I don't have to just. Oh,
Oh, you shouldn't have hairy legs.
oh my god.
Wow, you should have put it all at once. They do it little by little.
Oh my god. I hope I don't have to pick it up little by little because that hurts. Oh my gosh. Ah! I thought I was just gonna rip it off. Like,
Can I rip it off?
oh, okay.
She's gonna slap me.
Does that hurt?
Look, some hair's getting left behind. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! What the heck?
Mine doesn't hurt.
No, you're just still wet.
She did.
This is fun. It's still wet. It's not even dry.
Okay.
Mom's over here screaming. This doesn't hurt.
Well, I had a lot of hair. She didn't even have hair. But look, it took some of the hair off. But I still feel ooh. Oh. Ooh, these right here.
I don't think how it feels when you shave.
She's over here whispering.
Whispering all loud. I wonder how it feels when you wax down there. That was all loud.
I can hear you.
His hair's down here. La mami, dole. Oh my god, dude. Oh,
Pull it off, Helen.
oh my god, it's sensitive down there. Oh. Oh. Why'd you put wax on your toes?
My big toe.
Oh my gosh.
I had a little bit here.
Oh, just come off already. Thank God my face is about to look 10 years young with that serum.
Let everybody hear what I said.
Oh, I've got bigger problems right now. I'm not worried about what you said. Oh my God, I can't do it. Oh! Like Kung Fu Panda over there. I look like a freaking Smurf and you're Kung Fu Panda. I kept layering it and layering it.
Dude, hold that here on the side.
Oh, this hurts. Oh! God, just come off already. Oh!
She's still recording over there.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh! God! Just come off. I don't care no more. Just take it off. Oh my. Look, it's turning red. Whoa! I think my skin's coming off.
I think my skin's coming off.
Oh my God, no, for reals, guys, I'm scared. Call the ambulance. Man, look at you. You didn't even put a lot on there.
I tried. No, it's not ready. I don't have a lot.
It's
of
not
hair
ready,
yet.
Mom. What are you doing?
It's not fair. She didn't do it right.
Fixed it.
Oh.
Because it's connected right here.
I'm
Why
scared.
do you do it?
No! Get away from me. Get away from me. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Jesus. Oh my God, I can't do it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just lifting
Pull it.
I think my skin. I'm getting like anxiety. Like for real. Like for reals, I'm scared and it's not funny.
Relax.
I can't do it.
Let me
Shut up with your one layer,
Let
man.
me do it, Mom. Let me do it.
No. No.
like you did.
She's like, no.
Yeah.
You're gonna do it like her. Look, she's just peeling it off.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you how.
And she's going. You're going down, not up. You're supposed to
do it
pull
like
it up.
that. Yeah, I'm pulling it up.
No, you're not. You didn't even do it right.
My legs so sweet.
Screw it. I'm gonna.
That right there. I don't want to see that on my
If you don't know what that is, I sure as heck don't know what it is. Man, yours is all thin. Look how thick mine is. Look how thick this wax is, and look how thin her wax is. Just a little bit
I
left.
think it's getting some of her hair.
Oh, Helen has a little bit.
Like me.
Ah, maybe because my legs hairs were long. My legs hairs. Can't even talk right no more.
I'm sure it was.
Blah 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 blah. Okay, let me get out of the way. Oh, my face is already getting hard, so I'm gonna go wash this off. We're gonna go wash off our faces and put on the secret serum. Find it at Walmart anywhere. And then we're gonna look 10 years younger, I want to say. Like this. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my face. Okay, so it says to apply on a dry washed face. We already cleansed it. And to put drops on your problem areas and put it in with your fingertips and then moisturize.
How many drops?
I don't know.
Yes.
It said put it in your problem areas. You're not supposed to put a lot. It's supposed to be like a few drops. It says to moisturize right after. Do not get it in your eyes. Do not digest it. And if it starts to irritate your skin, just wash it off. I want to shave my face. I said this on a live like 2 weeks ago. I have so much peach fuzz. And so many people are shaving their faces. I didn't even know that. But they say you have to do it with one of these, not a regular razor. That's what Jaclyn Hill says. I know a lot of people aren't too happy with Jaclyn Hill, but I don't get into all that drama. But I'm going to try it. I'm going to shave it. And I'm gonna shave down. Oh, see all that peach fuzz? I hear girls shave their face so whenever they put on the highlight, it doesn't look all like clumpy or whatever. Fuzz a little bit. But I don't want to shave up.
Chin.
Oh.
Put that stuff.
Oh, okay. Now I'm going to look so much younger. Goodbye 30s. Right here. Right here. Okay. It even smells magical. Oops, I think I dropped some. Okay. Actually, I don't like the way it smells.
That is magical.
Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna go wash my hands and then I'll put moisturizer. Okay. Girl, I don't even notice you. You look so young, girl. Alright, guys. I think that is it for our little girl time. I screamed. It hurt. Our waxing of the legs. And I like the facial things. My
like
face feels smooth. Well, we'll let her think what she wants. But anyways, guys, I'm going to be doing this with the girls tomorrow or on another day. They have a game today at their high school. So everyone's going. One of my daughters is a cheerleader, so she has to be there. My other daughter just wants to be there, you know, be all up in the business. I don't know. So I will see you on the next one with the girls. And hopefully they handle this way better than me and do it better than her. But anyways, guys, thank y'all for stopping by. And these are the products that we used. My face feels so smooth, but I don't know if it's because I just shaved it. But it was feeling real good after the face mask. Anyways. So, anyways, I will see you on the next one, guys. Have a blessed one. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.